The simplest form of motion is motion along a straight line. We all have that one friend who runs something like this. This video is dedicated to all such friends of ours. So let's start learning motion in a straight line with the help of this small example. Have a look at this picture carefully. There's a runner at the start line. Let's call that O, the point of origin. 400 meters away, there is a finish line. Let's call that point B. In the middle of the track, 200 meters away from the origin, let's call that point A. Now this runner is going to run straight, unlike your friend, on this track, and it will cross point A and reach point B on its onward journey. In the process, it will cover a path length of 200 meters till point A and 400 meters till point B. Now let's look at the return journey. When it's coming back from B to O, it will again cross A. So if you look at the total path length, on the return journey when it crosses path A, it will be 400 plus 200, 600 meters. And when it's back on the origin, it will be 400 plus 400, that is 800 meters. This path length is basically just the length of the path. Path length is also known as distance. The SI unit for distance or path length is meters. Now please note this is very important. Distance is only indicative of the magnitude of the path traveled in meters and kilometers. It is only a numerical value. It does not indicate the direction of movement. For that we need a new term. It's called displacement. Displacement is the shortest distance traveled between the initial and the final point of the traveling object. The SI unit of displacement is also meters. Now let's look at the previous example again. We saw how the runner went from the origin to point A to point B and then came back. We looked at the distance values. Now we'll look at the displacement values. In the onward journey, both distance and displacement are going to be the same because displacement is just the shortest distance between the initial and the final point. But in the return journey, it becomes very interesting. Let's look at point A. At point A, the value of distance you can see was 600 meters, 400 plus 200. But the value of displacement, which is the shortest distance between the initial and the final point, you can see it is just 200 meters. When it comes back to the origin, the value of displacement becomes 0.